Planet Earth, the most incredible place in the universe, full of love and laughter and life, and climate change crusaders. And you can be a climate change crusader too. Want to know how? Are you ready to join us? Twende, let's go! Planet Earth is so special. It's home for all of us. And there is so much we can all do to help protect the environment. I really started to notice the problems climate change can create the day Mama Dunia began to dry out. She was so sad and thirsty. We had to think of a way to work together to save Mama Dunia. We protected her from the baking sun and found water for her at last. Mama Dunia was happy again, but Tabor was definitely not. It was a hot day in Dunia because of global warming. Let's find out more. It's time for a Supersat. What is global warming and what causes it? Global warming is the increase in Earth's average temperature over a long period of time. When CO2 and other greenhouse gases trap heat that would otherwise leave the area surrounding the Earth and drift into space, the planet's temperature rises. Global warming, which causes climate change. Without the greenhouse effect, Earth's temperature would be below freezing, so it's actually partly a natural process. However, Earth's greenhouse effect is getting stronger as we add greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, and that is warming the climate of our planet. Greenhouse gases also make their way to the atmosphere from a few sources: animals and their methane, human actions such as driving cars and using non-renewable fuels. We can all do our bit to reduce greenhouse gases by reducing our carbon footprint. That's the amount of carbon dioxide one human releases in the environment.
Here's a super fact. I found out a shorter shower not only saves water, but also saves on the energy used to heat that water.
That's right. So cutting your shower from 8 minutes to 3 will save a whopping 94 liters of water. That's 25 gallons.
Whoa! Shorter showers from now on for me.
We can all be climate change crusaders and reduce our carbon footprints. Here are some easy ways you can be a climate change crusader too. Don't waste water. Flick that switch.
Start a small garden.
Buy seasonal fruit and veggies from local shops.
Reuse and recycle cans, plastic, glass, paper, and cardboard.
Compost all your fruit and vegetable peels. Good job, Maya. Walk instead of taking the car.
Walking's good for the planet, and you too.
Bring reusable shopping bags and avoid products with excessive plastic packaging. Turn down the thermostat on the heating when it's cold. Sweaters, blankets, and socks are good for you and better for the planet. Ready to be a climate change crusader? Ask a grown-up to help you download the Climate Change Crusader badge and this checklist from the Super Sema website. And together, we can all be heroes. Watch my other STEAM vlogs for even more inspiration. Together, we can change the world. Stay super and keep technovating. Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel. Just click subscribe.